So your desire to succeed should be greater than fear. Yes.
So na bang ang pinaka-motivation is
I would say, I highly recommend, money is only a result of a job well done. The formula that I always share with people is find something that you love to do it with passion. And your goal whenever you do something is not to really earn money muna, is to win. But in order for you to win, you got to become the best. So apat yan eh. Find something that you love to do so that you don't have to work for another day in your life. And when you do it with what? Passion. Don't do it because of money. And then your always ultimate goal is to what? Win. And in order for you to win, you got to become that best. Michael Jordan, best basketball player. Ano love niya? Basketball. Passion niya, basketball. Anong goal niya whenever he plays? Win. And in order for him to win, he got to become the best. Manny Pacquiao, love niya, boxing or hurting people. Passion niya is boxing talaga. And then goal niya whenever he steps on the ring is to win. Tama? And not to avoid losing, but to win. But in order for him to win, he got to become the best. You just imagine, I want to challenge you. Let's say if you are the best blogger right now in the Philippines, you are the best. Somebody needs a good project. Who will they call? Who will they call? Yes, exactly. No, who will they call? You. And if they call you, you can name your. That's the reason why si Ramon dito. Oh. Si Ramon, di ba? Pinaka-best siya sa advertising. Di ba? Kulang na lang, di ba? Yung feminine napkins, ang ano niya, promote niya. No,
Real money is only the result of a job well done.
Come on, exactly. Yes. So, likewise, people hire me. Last year, I finished with 240 speaking engagements. The reason why people hire me, it's not because I need a job, I asked for the job, because I do believe I'm one of the best in my category in doing what I'm doing. So, yun yung parang ano eh. It shouldn't be money. It's something you love, do it with passion, goals to win.